Meet my new Salem bed! Oops! Salem sofa for today! This is Brick Sofa from Salem Bed. Made from high-density polyurethane foam, matibay, komportable, pagmatagalan at hindi basta-basta lumulubog and ensures better quality over time. Made also from low-density polyurethane foam, meaning soft, lightweight, and flexible foam, kaya parang yumayakap sa katawan. Supported by wooden frame kaya guaranteed ang tibay at tatag. So proven ang stability nito. It's the foundation of the quality naman talaga. Its cover material is made from upholstery leatherette. And mga teha, ang Salem sofa has also upholstery fabric and velvet choices too. Mga te, you can also check out Salem Bed spring foam, memory foam, and pocketed spring mattresses. You can never go wrong with them on this. May bed bases and frames, dining sets, portable mats, and pillows din sila. Ang solid, di ba?
Kaya naman po sa mga gusto magkaroon ng ganito kaganda, katibay, kakomportabling sofa, bisitahin nyo lang po ang official websites ng Salem Bed. At ito po yun.
Meron ding store locator sa website nila kaya hindi na mahirap maghanap ng Salem Bed stores near you. Sarap na ng tulog ko sa Salem Bed. Sarap pa ng tambay ko sa Salem Bed sofa. Gusto mo nito? Alam mo na ha?
Dahil ang Salem Bed, truly po, ito ang hari ng tibay.